Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Canada to Nigeria using Lemfi wallet. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the simple guide on how to send the money, so the first thing to do is to download the Lemfi app. Then after that, you have to sign up or log into your account. So to do this, create a new account or log into your account using the existing information or using your account credentials. Then after that, find your card wallet. So navigate to add money, then choose your preferred method to deposit Canadian dollar, which is card, into your Lemfi wallet. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer to Nigeria. So start the transfer, tap on send money, then select the currency set as card as the primary currency and Nigerian as an NGN as Nigerian naira as the secondary currency. And after that, you have to input the amount you wish to send, then add a note if necessary, then tap on continue, then choose recipient, then select the bank account as the delivery method. Then after that, if sending to a new recipient, tap on your beneficiary and enter their bank account details. Then after that, review or confirm. So double check all details for accuracy, then click on confirm and send the transfer. And that's how to send money from Canada to Nigeria using Lemfi. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.